Welcome back to Code with Vanga channel. Today we are going to learn about dynamic data type in C Sharp. In C Sharp, dynamic keyword allows a variable to skip compile time type checking. The type is checked at runtime instead. Simple understanding. Dynamic means I will decide the type later when the program runs. So friends, let's dive into the code. We'll see what it is. So I'm going to create a console project. Project name I'm giving is dynamic. So I'm creating the project. Project has been created. Now we'll see a few examples. For example, the keyword is dynamic. We can store any value. Previously, we have learned that object. Okay. Console.writeLine. I'll print this one. Print this. Copy. Okay. Console dot console dot selecting dynamic project. Now I'm running the project. See, look at here. The value has printed. There is no error. Okay. Now we'll see another example. The same value type I'm storing with now look at here. Previously we have initialized with the 10. Now we have initialized with the string value. So it will check the dynamic data type. There is no point in error. Now again we are going to check with this different value with 5.5. Now I'm starting the project. Look at here. Still now there is no any error. Like we compared with object type, dynamic type, there is no error. Here the comes the fun part. Now I'm commenting all these lines. Okay. Now look at here. See in the dynamic X, I have given it 10-digit number, and in the console.writeLine, I'm checking the length of the project, length of the value, length. Now look at here, the beauty with here. See here it is not showing any error. Now when we run the program, it throws an error. See, int does not contain a definition for length. So it will check what we have seen in the see, it will decide the type later when the program runs. That is the beauty of the dynamic keyword. For example, next we'll see that I'm commenting these two lines as well. So I'm using dynamic text. Next I'm taking code with Vanga. Again I'm checking here length as well, but in the compile time there is no error. Look at here, but it will throw error when runtimes. See, string does not contain a definition for length. So friends, this is all about dynamic data type in C Sharp. Please like my video, share it with your friends. Thank you.